This is from the company QUINEAR, I think is how you would say that. And what this is the air compression leg system. Check this out, everybody. Let me just kind of like go over some of the specs on this thing. So the dimensions on it is 400 by 310 by 155. There's 3 modes. There's sequential, circulation, and combination. That's the 3 types of compression modes that it's on there. The time, there's a timer on it that's between 15 minutes, 60 minutes, and the default is right at 30 minutes, so you got a default timer. 4 chambered sleeves, so it'll go foot, upper calf, lower calf, thigh, and it just kind of like goes in between to do the compression on like the leg. 40 to 70 mmGH, mid is 80 to 1, and so it's like low, medium, high basically, and the high is 120 to 150 mmGH. And the temperature, so there's operating conditions. You know what, we don't need that. Let's just go ahead and open this thing up and let me show you what you get in here. Number one, it's a package inside of a package. I love how these things are contained. Look at that, nice little suitcase package. We don't need that anymore. Let me show you what comes in the package here. Unzipping it. Nice kind of like nylon top package maybe. You see how they're the medium. By the way, I got these in a medium size. They come in different sizes. Here's the legs. Oh, that's the cable that plugs them in. You see how the cable works right there. We'll go ahead and take them out of the package because we're going to use them, because I will put these things to the use and show you. And these are airlines, by the way. That is not electric. That is an airline. Powered. Yep, that's the power adapter, because I've already had this thing out and used it, everybody. So there's the power adapter. Pretty straightforward little barrel plug power adapter. And then here's the pump itself. In here is the instructions. And I've already went over everything, but it kind of has a nice little quick start guide and how to go over all of the settings, how to zip it up. And it goes on the legs right there, a little kind of warranty card and more kind of instructions and some precautionary things, and to show you how this thing kind of like squeezes foot, calf, upper calf, thigh, and it kind of goes back and forth. And that's a sequential mode, and there's the circulation mode and the combination mode, which is my favorite, that combination mode. It kind of bounces between all 3 of them there. Look how nice that is. That is a very premium looking unit. This thing looks awesome, and you see how the plug goes there, and a plug goes 2 plugs down there. If you want to do a single, you'll do right. You plug it. This right here is an additional plug. If you want to do a single, you would plug that, plug up one of the holes, and you'll do a single. But we're going to do both legs. We're not going to do a single. We're going to do both legs today. And this sets down flat just like that. Let me go ahead and set this thing up over here on my chair, and I'll show you this thing working. There's no left and right on these. It's basically whichever side you want to go. They have R on both of them, but that's a registered trademark. So you see how the logos go up like that? You're going to unzip it like this. Take your shoes off. And then this just goes up on the legs just like this. And you see how that works. And like I said, there's small, medium, large, and I consider myself just kind of a medium. The plug-in is just like that. It goes up. There's a relief right here to pull it back out. That way you don't accidentally pull out. By the way, this thing is battery powered, everybody. Take that little cover off. This thing is actually battery powered. Check it out. Hold that down. We are not plugged in. See how that works? Now, I think I've got enough to do this video. I've got half. I've already used this. I've got maybe half on there. So the cord will charge this. All right, so let me show you some of the features on this thing. So I've got it on low. I'm gonna go see the different zones. So there's the zones right there. See how it's zoned on the thigh, foot, calf, different types of zones. The modes, let's go the mode. Let's go combination on the mode. So the modes were combination. And then you see right there on the strength of it, let's go all the way. Strength, 150. So 150 on the strength. And there's the plus and minus going there. Time, let's go Like I said, I think we'll go 15. Let's go 15 minutes on the time. There we go. We are set up. Now to start this, all you're gonna do, it's started right now. I don't know if you can hear it pump, so I'm gonna sit down and let it just go. What I like about it, you can kind of just lay down if you're in a bed or laying somewhere, you can just kind of like lay down and then lay this down beside you and it'll just go like that. I feel it right now. What I'm feeling is right at the foot. It's hard to show in the video, but I can feel it getting thicker right here. And what this does, like I said, what this does, this actually squeezes the legs, the foot, the ankle. Oh, I feel it right here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Look at that. Oh, that feels great. That works extremely well. You could see the chamber, the way they was talking about the chambers. You got one chamber here, and there's three, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 chambers right there. Right now, it's all on that one chamber. Oh boy. It's almost like, think about it, if you grabbed your foot and squeezed as hard as you can with your hands. Now, okay, it's maxed out there. After 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes, it's maxed out right there. I feel it right here now. Now it's on the upper calf. Well, I guess that'd be considered the lower calf. They're considering this the upper calf, and that's the thigh. Feeling that. I don't know if you can see it in the camera there. Look how tight that is. That's working great. Oh, wow, that's working really good. Let's speed this up and let's let it get fully maxed out, and then I'll come back. Okay, everybody, it's been about 4 minutes on the unit here, and all chambers are inflated. Look at that. That is awesome. I'm really feeling it from all the way from my upper thigh to my toe. I can feel that compression squeezing. Like I said, now we're 10 minutes in and the entire unit is working right now. That's as tight as it gets. And I've got it on the 150. So it's on 150, which is the max that it goes. It's tight, but it's not unbearable tight. I'm gonna let this run its course. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I think quality-wise, it feels really good. This thing feels like amazing. The quality of it looks like it's very well put together. We're not going to continue to go through all the cycles. I just wanted to show you how well this thing works. This is something I recommend for anyone that's mountain biking, hiking, running, or doing any type of activity where maybe they're standing a lot, maybe at work or something. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the QUINEAR leg compressor. See y'all in the next video.